Presenting iBEMS by IOTomation, the new age intelligence for building. An innovative and intelligent building solution for maximizing building efficiency and minimizing overall expenses. It is an intelligent building solution that automates and integrates various subsystems like HVAC system, lighting, plumbing system, energy meters of a building on a single cloud-based centralized platform to optimize energy usage, improve productivity, and increase the energy efficiency. iBEMS is supported by IOTomation's range of IoT-enabled smart controllers. iBEMS allows quick and easy data trend comparison, along with generating alerts, maintaining history and comprehensive reporting. In case of any fault or anomalies in the connected equipments, automatic sparks or alerts are generated. This makes maintenance particularly efficient by quickly accommodating to the requirements of building. iBEMS easily delivers saving up to 30% in energy bills and 15% reduction in overall operational costs. The dashboard provides energy analytics and showcases key performance indicators of all integrated energy systems in one screen. It assists users gain valuable insights to drive real-time decisions for efficient energy usage. Our intelligent fire monitoring system monitors the health of fire alarm system on a real-time basis and highlight faults. Intelligent predictive and preventive maintenance solution sends alerts of any possible faults well in advance, so that measures can be taken to avoid any unexpected shutdown. Intelligent Tenant billing system provides user-friendly and reliable solution to capture energy utilization data of tenants directly from the corresponding meters for prepaid/postpaid billing. The user interface renders differently on various screen sizes, optimizing the user's experience. The solution also gives you the freedom to remotely control the building from multiple locations. Different user types can be created by limiting or granting access to various widgets, depending on the authority access of the user. The iCommand Center remotely monitors, controls, and manages operations and energy of distributed assets. It provides remote access and control, ensures responsive support, offers long-term reliability and customized reports, along with data analysis by the energy experts. Introducing Pioneering Pay-You model, an exclusive payment plan, which charges only for the services and functionalities that you choose in iBEMS. The first in the industry to address challenges related to long-term reliability and technology obsolescence. With iBEMS, make your building green, make your building smart, make your building intelligent.